Samsung is already working on the Galaxy A36, which will obviously be the successor to the Galaxy A35, which launched back in March. Today, a prototype A36 has performed quite a few Geekbench runs, and this has revealed the fact that Samsung is testing the device with Android 15 on board. That's a version that Google launched for its Pixels yesterday, but which Samsung is only expected to release next year with the arrival of the Galaxy S25 family in January. This probably means that the Galaxy A36 will only land after that, if it is to run Android 15 from day one, which is what the fact it's being tested with that version is hinting at. Given that the lower-end Galaxy A16 5G, which became official recently, is promised to get 6 major Android updates, the A36 should come with the same promise, and if it has Android 15 on board from day one, that means it will end its life on Android 21. The Galaxy A36 will be powered either by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 or the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, based on its GPU. The prototype tested today had 6 GB of RAM, but there may be more options upon launch. The Galaxy A35 went with Samsung's Exynos 1380 SoC, so the A36 is switching suppliers for its chipset, interestingly enough.